Today, me and the boys went to a car show, and we saw some really cool cars that actually blew our minds. Now, I walked away from the car show with over an hour of footage, and so I'm probably going to have to make this in a two-part video. So in case I do, stick around for the second part, which will be coming probably a week after the first video, knowing me. But just like that, I think I'm gonna close out this intro and let's get started on the video. Got Joseph and Colby. Say hi, guys. Joseph woke up early. Thanks for being here, Joseph. I appreciate you. World of Wheels. That's where we need to go. Made it. Okay, we're here. Colby, are you ready? Joseph, are you ready? She's not ready. Joseph wants to see a Bugatti, so.
Do you know what I want to see?
Camaro? We just saw a Camaro. You can never see too many Camaros.
I don't know. I think I'm done. You guys want to go back?
No.
Whoa. Wow.
All right. 720S. Got a Ferrari. Think it's 458. 4GT. Oh my gosh, looks so cool in blue. And here we have the Aventador. My gosh, I've never seen one of these before, and it is crazy. I've seen a lot of Lamborghini Aventadors on YouTube, but I've never got to see one in real life. So
It's pretty cool, huh?
yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that orange stripe. Love it. Lambo doors. Heck yeah, dude. Third Lamborghini, Diablo. Dude. What the heck? Diablo.
Oh.
It's an old Lamborghini. And of course, not forgetting, horsepower obsessed. I still remember the first time I saw this at a car show, dude. Do you remember that? Whoa. It's a new Corvette. The new C8 Corvette. So it's a C8 Corvette, so it's the brand new 2020 Corvette.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I've never seen one of these before, and it's super cool. Look at this paint, too.
Doesn't have all the...
Well, of course, car obsessed cars. I think this is my favorite.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Very cool.
Look at this lineup. Oh, dude! Whoa. 170 out of 200. Oh my! It's massive. The engine is massive.
Oh, so... I gotta get a picture.
You get a picture of that. Wow. Colby and I both love Vipers, so this is just awesome for us. Well, this Chrysler 300 is angry at me. Now that's an epic door. Look at the color on this. This wrap is amazing. I like that color. Joseph, thoughts?
Pink.
Is that all? Oh, Colby's happy. He found a Camaro. Oh, we got another R8 here too. It would appear I have a fellow Stradman fan here. We got the satin purple wrap with white wheels. Holy crap. Satin purple chrome is such a crazy color, dude. Look at how low this thing is. I can't even, oh. Got this crazy Skyline GTR. I saw this in my local town once. Okay, it's just a Skyline actually, but at the same time, look at these taillights. It's absolutely crazy mirror taillights. And all the color changing wraps you could want. Actually, that might be paint, I can't tell. This Mustang is wide. How wide? Very wide. People might remember this car because it was accidentally featured in one of our videos.
I like this guy too.
Oh, this horsepower obsessed ZR1 over there. Alright, we're going upstairs. I gotta get some Paper Tiger merch because no one recognizes me.
What?
I need to get some Paper Tiger merch because no one recognizes me. Oh yeah. Ooh, you stay here for days. Pause. Okay, it's time to pause the video. Yeah, I know. You really don't want me to pause the video here, but I think it's better if we do this in 2 parts. So, tune in next week or so for the second part of this video. And I will see you then. Don't forget to like the video, comment on which car was your favorite so far, and I will see you all again next video. Have a great rest of your day, everyone. Bye-bye.